If you're looking for lucky brand women bracelets, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Bestseller, by Lucky Brand. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2. Another great product by Lucky Brand. Number 3. For more info about these great women bracelets, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Lucky Brand. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.